National income is an important concept in macroeconomic analysis. The theory of national income, when expressed mathematically, gives the national income model. This video will introduce you to this model. The national income model is generally studied under two situations: closed economy and open economy. Closed economy is a situation where no trade takes place between countries or there is no exchange of goods and services. Technically, exports to other economies and the imports from other economies are excluded from the study. Open economy is a situation where trade takes place between countries and there is exchange of goods and services. In an open economy, national income of an economy includes the net exports, that is, the amount left behind after subtracting the value of imports from the value of exports. Mathematically, net exports is defined as exports minus imports. So, how does a national income model look like in a closed economy? For a closed economy, the mathematical expression for national income is given as Y is equal to C plus I plus G. Let us number this equation as 1. Here, Y is national income, C is the consumption expenditure, I is the investment expenditure, and G is the government expenditure. Let us assume that investment and government expenditure are the exogenous variables and Y and C, that is income and consumption expenditure, are the endogenous variables. That is, the values of the exogenous variables are given, while the values of the endogenous variables have to be determined from within the model. The consumption function may mathematically be written as C is equal to A plus B into Y minus T. Let us number this equation as 2. Here, C is consumption expenditure, Y is income, and T is direct tax. Hence, Y minus T gives the disposable income. A is autonomous consumption and B is the marginal propensity to consume, or MPC. Autonomous consumption is that part of consumption that is independent of income and is a constant. It is assumed to be positive or greater than 0. Induced consumption is that part of consumption that is induced by income. In particular, consumption depends on the disposable income. The usual behavior says that consumption and income move in the same direction. B is the rate at which the consumption changes when the income changes. In other words, it may also be mathematically expressed as B is equal to delta C divided by delta Y, and the value of B lies between 0 and 1. There may be a third equation to the national income model on the tax component. Direct tax is a function of total income, and when the income is 0, there will be no tax. This relationship may mathematically be represented as T is equal to small t into Y. Let us number this equation as 3. Here, small t is the rate of change of tax with respect to change in the income, and the value of t lies between 0 and 1. It is important to note that there is no intercept in this equation. Combining equation 1, 2 and 3, we finally arrive at the national income model in a closed economy.